Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video, we will cover this lab BBID Gemini 001. Let it load. Now click on this one. Click on Gemini.py. Now copy this code, paste it here. Now what you have to do is change this model from 3.5 to 2.5. Click on File, Save. Then copy these commands, paste it over here, hit enter. Copy this one, paste here, hit enter. You can see we have got some output. Let's check the progress. Congrats, you have successfully completed this lab.